Hey guys, I found a pizza crust recipe I wanted to try, so I thought I'd just bring you along with me. My water was a little too warm to add the yeast, so I went ahead and added the other ingredients though, which was some powdered milk and sugar. Now that I'm at temperature, I'm going to go ahead and add the yeast, and give that just a little bit of a stir. Now we're going to let that bloom 5 to 7 minutes just to make sure my yeast is okay, and I'll bring you back. Alright, I'm going to put in a couple of cups. That's plain flour, and then we need some salt. I'm going to let that start to mix. And another cup. I'll do about a half cup more. Okay, so I greased the bowl, and we're just going to let that sit covered until it doubles in size. This is definitely not a thin and crispy crust. I could have cut it in two, maybe made a small pizza in a skillet, but I'm just going to make one large pizza here. Alright, so I'm going to grab some pizza sauce. I have an oven that is preheated to 425 degrees. Okay, so I'm stopping there. Of course, you could use other meats if you're not worried about alpha-gal and mushrooms and things like that, but I am not a mushroom fan. So it's going in like this, and I'll bring you back once we're ready to cut into it. Okay, it's out of the oven, and I definitely should have split that dough because it is a thick, thick crust. Not necessarily a bad thing. I'm just used to having a thin crust. Well, I recommend that pizza dough. It's very, very good. I hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you later.